Annyeong everyone, it's Mirina. I'm back with another MV reaction, and this time I'm gonna react to BTOB. I think this was a new boy group, and I don't have any idea about them yet. I never watched their MV or their song, but from the news that I have read that they was quite popular with many fans, and I'm curious each time I watch that. Oh, who's the BTOB? Like, why they have so much fans, and how they song look like or how their MV look like. So I decided to do my first reaction to BTOB with their new MV Beep Beep. I think this was their new MV with Beep Beep, and I really anticipate to this boy group one because I'm really curious about them, and let's see them. Let me see them together. In 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, that's monkey. Oh, he's kind of like Zero. Oh, he's so cute. I'm gonna find my bias. He's gonna be my bias. The big gosh. Kindly at second stuck in my mind. Oh, I really love the song. Oh my gosh. Oh, I didn't get obsessed like this. That was cute. The choreography. Oh, the girls cool too. I like them style. It's kind of my style actually. Oh, the rap is good too. Is there fight over a girl? Oh, I think he was more biased. First name guys, I don't know. We have our kids one. That movement is so cute. How many of them? 7, 8? Oh, piano set. Oh, I can't focus with the song. I just focus with their face. They're so cute. Oh, they're 7, right? Oh, like underground party hip hop kids. You don't need the sexy girl. Oh, that was a mini car. Oh, his strip's cool. I like his rap. You can like remind me of Zero from the anime. Oh, that it looked like a real car and it's not expensive as the real one. It's so cute. Oh, the setting is so like really cool. I like it. No parking area. You shouldn't park in there. Oh, that was so cute. BTOB, beep beep. Wow. I really honestly didn't get it what the song meaning. I mean, to focus with the setting and their face. I guess it's about the girl again. I mean, oh, I like how they put the hip hop feeling in this MV with the setting with the underground party with like stuff in garage, something like that. Oh, the chorus looks so expensive to me, even the little one. But I really love their style. I mean, the hip hop style. Oh, I really want to have that. It's really cool with the jackets and cool hat, something. Oh, and for the boys, I think the one who sing in second person who sing in the wheel, like with the red hair, his name, I don't know. He have a sweet smile, and I like it. Oh, I get it why they have lots of fans. I mean, the song is so good with the beat. Once you hear it, it will stuck in your mind, and they have a nice style, a good rapper, a good singer, and good face. That's perfect. I like it, BTOB. I really want to do another reaction from them, but I don't know, maybe next time. Was my last record from this day, and thank you for watching my MV reaction with BTOB. Beep beep. Hope you enjoyed, and see you next time. Annyeong.